What are you making again?
A mountain.
A mountain. Out of special Play-Doh that you made yourself, right?
Yeah.
Wow, that is one cool mountain. How did you make that all by yourself?
With all this Play-Doh.
Yeah.
I'm doing it with red and all the red.
Very cool. I like it. Looks very nice. Oh, you're going to use the blue too?
Yeah. Don't look at the phone because how we do this.
You want me to help you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Huh.
I have some?
Yeah. I'm doing this.
Okay.
There.
There. Is it all done now?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. Good job. Ta-da. You did it. Now are you ready for it to eat? You want to take a break and eat, and then we can play with it again?
Yeah, but I need to do this first.
Okay. Perfect.